Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Google Docs. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what we are going to do is upload our PDF file to Google Drive. So let's go and do that. Now I will select here at the left side, new file upload. Now I need to find it somewhere here. So file example, let's say this one is in PDF, open up. It will take a moment to load up here. So if I refresh now, it needs to be right over here. All right. Now right click the file. So once the upload is finished, locate the PDF and right click on it. Select open with from the menu, then click Google Docs. So wait for the conversation. So Google will create a brand new Google Doc with the same name as your PDF. All the text should now be fully editable. So as you can see, we can edit here. It is here a little bit different because I think in PDF is the basically one graph right here. So it's a little bit different, but it's basically converted from PDF to Google Docs. So this is pretty much it. You need to be aware of this. If you have graph in your PDF, it will here it won't be, as you can see, as it should be. But yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next